In this video, we are going to show you how to create this beautiful and amazing video presentation in PowerPoint. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select, drag it like this. Duplicate the shape by pressing Ctrl Shift. And we will select all three shapes and copy them. Select the rectangle shape first, then select the remaining three and choose Subtract from Merge Shape. Now paste the copied shape here. Select all, go to Shape Fill, select Color. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on Outside, select this shape. Go to Animation, click on Add Animation and select Split. Go to Effect option, select Horizontal Out. Select Start with Previous, increase duration also and delay 50 seconds. Click on Animation Painter and apply on this shape. Go to Effect option, select Horizontal In. Increase delay size. Click on Animation Painter, apply on this shape. Go to Effect option, select Horizontal Out. Increase delay size. Add some information about PPT here and apply Fly in Animation to text box. Go to Effect option, select From Right. Select Start after Previous. Increase duration also. Now select text box, click on Animation Painter and apply on this text box. Select Start with Previous, increase delay size. Select this shape, go to Add Animation, select Split. Go to Effect option, select Horizontal In. Select Start after Previous, increase duration also. Select this shape, go to Add Animation, select Split. Go to Effect option, select Horizontal In. Select Start with Previous, increase duration also. Go to Insert, go to Video. Here I have downloaded a video from Google. Select it and insert it. Click on right button and send to back. Go to Playback and click on Loop until stop. Go back to Animation, go to Animation pane and move the video to first position. Now click on Slideshow and see. So look guys, how our animation looks. It looks very good and beautiful to see. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friend. Thanks for watching the video.